Hi guys, I'm Talha from Technical Office. In this video, I will show you the full front-end web development roadmap that how you can become a front-end web developer that gets a real job, that gets a high salary packages. So we will cover all of these topics in this one video. So let's get into the video. So first, all of you knows that what you have to learn is HTML, the hypertext markup language. So what the HTML will do in our kind of front-end web development kind of website, so it will structure our website. For example, we want a menu bar, we want a title bar, we want to have a footer, we want to have a header. So all of these structure is coming into the HTML part that creates a structure of our website. So then you have to jump into CSS, the cascading style sheet. It will design our website's kind of looks, that how our website should look like. So it will design our website, all of the page, like landing pages and everything. We can design it with CSS. So for example, we have a background. Which kind of color should our background have, kind of which is the kind of which our menu bar should be, kind of it will be flex or it will be grid. All of these properties comes into CSS, like the colors, the styles, the kind of sections, the margins, the padding. All of these kind of properties you will get cleared on the CSS section. After this, you will have to have kind of a framework knowledge as well, and it's really up to you that how you can get a CSS framework knowledge. So we have two kind of frameworks of CSS that is most popular on today's kind of technology. So one is the CSS Tailwind CSS and another one is Bootstrap. So you'll be seeing how the frameworks is working, why we have to learn these frameworks. So I will do that. If you want to learn CSS, advanced CSS, and you enjoy your CSS, then it's not really much necessary to get into the frameworks knowledge. So you can learn it as advanced web developer. So if you want to learn a framework is will get your work very easy without CSS. Like Tailwind CSS, we use classes in Tailwind CSS to design our whole website design. Kind of we use class is equal to double quotation. In double quotation we will give all of the properties like mx-8, the padding, the margin, everything we will give in that kind of, and this is looks like inline CSS. And another one after the framework of CSS, you have to learn JavaScript, the logic of our website. And I think the most important part of kind of front-end web development and web technologies is JavaScript. And if you want to go to a higher salary packages, you will be asking an interview about JavaScript. It's kind of logic. It will give your work very easy. For example, you will be looking the how JavaScript will work on our websites. It will create your website in kind of logic. For example, when the button is clicked, what should we have to do? When the menu bar is clicked, what should we have to do? So this will create your website knowledge, and this is what the JavaScript knowledge and the logic looks like. So after this, you have to learn about kind of DOM manipulation model, and it's kind of very important in your front-end web development journey. So DOM manipulation model gives you a logic, a minded kind of surface that you can use your JavaScript kind of logic and your website, how you can implement your knowledge of JavaScript into your website. So this is what the DOM manipulation models do. And after the DOM manipulation model, you can learn kind of a CSS framework as well, not CSS. You can learn JavaScript framework as well, which is kind of React and Vue.js and AngularJS. So these are React.js, sorry for that. You can learn it, but the most important is here, I think it's React, it's so popular, and you can do a lot of works with React.js as well. So which kind of, you have to create a process, you have to schedule all of your days. So in 1 to 10 days you have to learn HTML, and kind of this is looks on your structure that how you can get you a timetable very easy to learn a front-end web development. But the most important part in front-end in all of these programming and everything in coding is you have to build a kind of a portfolio website. These kind of website will give your kind of, you will enjoy these websites, and you will get a lot of motivation from this. And I think you have to really focus on JavaScript, CSS and HTML, because these are the main technologies. And then you will learn some concepts about Get and GitHub and HTTP and HTTPS. So all of these concepts you have clear. So paid and free resources of this kind of front-end web development. One is the Angela Youth course. All of you knows that, and I think it's the very best course in the kind of front-end web development and full-stack web development. It's kind of full-stack web developer, and it shows real projects. And another one is Code with Harry as well. You can learn it from Code with Harry. And if you want to have a full kind of projects based course on front end or anything, and if you want to have a project on front end web development, we can get that into our knowledge, and we will give with some clearer concept about front end, how the front end works. So we will come with the full boot camp if this video hits 1k likes. So all of this video, if you like the video, please like it, and if you want this kind of a content, please subscribe to the channel. Bye till the next video.